Are you searching for the ultimate mini PC for under $500? Look no further than the GEEKOM A6. This compact powerhouse is loaded with premium specs, including the Ryzen 7 6800H, 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD, and integrated Radeon graphics. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about this tiny yet mighty PC, from performance to gaming productivity to value. We'll see if this is truly the best $500 mini PC on the market. GEEKOM nailed it with the A6. The packaging is simple yet sophisticated. It immediately tells you that you're dealing with a premium product. As soon as you hold it, you'll notice how solid and well-built the device feels. The design is clean and minimalist, making it a great fit for any workspace entertainment setup or even on the go. Under the mini PC is where the accessories and cables are located. But let's move past appearances and dive into what really makes the GEEKOM A6 a standout performer. The beating heart of this mini PC is the AMD Ryzen 7 6800H processor featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, capable of clocking up to 4.7 GHz. Whether you're multitasking, editing videos, or compiling code, this processor can handle it all with ease, and paired with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, it's built to keep up with your most demanding workflow. Here is a size comparison with my Xbox Series S. If you love streaming or creating a home theater setup, the GEEKOM A6 is the perfect choice. It supports 4K video output, so you can enjoy stunning visuals while watching Netflix, YouTube, or your favorite shows. Thanks to its powerful specs, you won't have to deal with lag or buffering during playback. The quiet operation ensures you can enjoy your media without any distractions, and with plenty of ports, you can easily connect to your TV or sound system. Whether you're a movie buff or a casual viewer, the A6 delivers a premium streaming experience in a compact design. You can also work and do homework on this amazing mini PC. As you see, I created a Word document and typed something. Before this video ends, though, there is one more thing to try. We are going to try gaming on this mini PC from GEEKOM. Can the GEEKOM A6 handle Fortnite? Let's find out. I ran the game on this mini PC, and the results were surprisingly good. With its Ryzen 7 6800H processor and Radeon 6 80M integrated graphics, Fortnite runs extremely smooth at 1080p. I set the graphics to medium settings and the game consistently delivered a rock-solid 60 FPS throughout my matches. Now, here's the catch. My monitor is limited to 60 Hz, so I couldn't push beyond that. But I could tell the A6 was capable of higher frame rates if paired with a higher refresh rate monitor. Even during intense build battles and fast action, the gameplay felt buttery smooth, with no noticeable stuttering or input lag. For a $500 mini PC, the GEEKOM A6 delivers an excellent gaming experience. It's compact, efficient, and still powerful enough for a popular game like Fortnite. If you're a casual gamer looking for a versatile and portable setup, this could be your perfect fit. What do you think? Does this performance surprise you?